did it. Cass, can you say dada? Can you say dada? Close. Can you say dada? Can you say dada? La 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 la. And nana? Nana? Just distracted. She's been saying dada today. La 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 la. No foraging. La la. Say dada. Dada. Nope. Not in the mood. She wants all those wires. Nope. Sorry, I bumped your head a little bit. Sorry. You know, look. This is the thing you used to hate. How do you feel about it now? Really used to cry at this. Yay! See, that's what you hated. You hated when you pick it up and you'd want it to go in your mouth. And it would be facing the wrong way. Cassidy, can you say dada? Dada. Very good. Dada. That's good. Say dada. 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 Honey, that's so cute. Say dada. Cassidy, where's dada? Where's dada? Where's daddy? I think daddy is. Very good. Say nana. Nana. Oops. I think you want to go find daddy. Kurt, I said, where's daddy? I guess where she's going. Where's daddy? Gross. Frank ate all his food. Yay! Dada. There's dada. There's a knife on the table I can use.